Welcome back. Let's solve another problem together. Remember, you're a math detective. Levi had a plate of 9 cookies. Some were vanilla and some were chocolate. How many of each kind did he have? Draw a picture and write a number sentence. All right, so here's what I did. I have my number sentence. He had 9 cookies. Some were vanilla and some were chocolate. So here are my parts. Here's my math drawing that goes with it. Did you find my error in my math drawing? Now over here, I want you to fix my mistake with your dry erase marker. Show me what my math drawing should really look like to go with this number sentence. Pause the video to draw. Great. Now you need to make a video on Seesaw. I want to hear what my mistake was and then talk about how you fixed it. Once you have done that, you're going to flip your paper over and solve the third problem on the back.